Morning to all. We prepared a short on distribution planning and sourcing and purchasing. In distribution planning, the first step is we have to prepare a distribution schedule. When this time the goods have to reach. First distribution weeks, they ensure that the track and correct location the goods have to be reached. After preparing distribution schedule, we have to prepare a zone, transportation zone for picking up and dropping up the goods. Then after transformation, to reduce the time and the expenses, we have to create a cluster goods. Cluster is grouping of goods based on location. So we can reduce the transportation cost. And second, next thing is communication with the set management. For each zone, a manager is assigned, and the manager has to know the distribution time and goods reaching time and outgoing time. Finally, it repeats the consumption.
As you know, warehousing is storage of materials. So first one is storage. Simple storage facilities. So there are two types of goods: perishable goods and non-perishable goods. So the storage facility should be designed according to the perishability and non-perishability of the items. And second comes the climate control. As I said, perishable goods they should be stored in cool storage zone. So temperature plays an important factor in the storage of the goods and services. And then comes the departments. There should be specific departments, specific rooms for each and every type of products. For example, you have props and costumes. Props and costumes cannot be stored in the same room because it is prone to the damage. If you are pressing, you can stumble upon the props, so it's a factor. And the fourth one is inventory logging. Inventory logging is nothing but, as the name already suggests, that logging of the inventory, that keeping track of the inventories. If any of the goods are damaged, if any of the goods are spoiled goods. And next comes to transportation. Transportation is nothing but transporting the materials. Required materials for the appropriate industry. In this case, in an industry selection of appropriate materials.
Concept explained here that it's goods inventory and requirement planning. Goods inventory from the starting of the process of getting the manufacturing unit until the storage. Each and every good should have a clear unique 5 weeks, which represents its uniqueness. Secondly, we should have the check-in and check-out, daily checking and check-out. And we have also mentioned loss prevention measures. So things should have proper sensors and tracking units. And it should be merged with mobile phone location tracking. And finally it comes to storage. And second concept they have explained here is requirement planning. It's very important, and also employees should be aware of each and every goods, and every goods should have income and outgoing, and then we are producing according to that. So this is the complete process from manufacturing to the product that reaches the customer. So that's what we have mentioned in manufacturing inventory. And second is order processing. Order processing is not complete process which we order. It's the order processing that reaches the happy customer. So that's what we have mentioned. Customer is we have ordering and the confirmation of the order and the packaging and that for delivery, and finally that reaches the customer and that makes the customer happy. So that is what goes with manufacturing inventory order process.
And the second process is production planning. Production planning is nothing but how the production process takes place. The first thing is manufacturing. How we manufacture the raw materials in our finished goods. First thing we manufacture the product, and the second thing when you take all the manufactured product to the store, for example, warehouse. After storing in the warehouse, it will be significant but resource allocation. How we allocate the resources and how we use the resource which we have. And second thing is packaging. Packaging is nothing but how the product has been packed and delivered to the customers. First and foremost thing is avoid damage. First thing, avoid the damage by packing the product. And next is secure packing, and also it should be certificated by IPC and those sectors. That's reusable. The package should be reusable. And this first one is time management. You should manage the time by delivering the product to the customers. And this person is there are variety of packaging like tissue packing, grocery packing, and those stuffs. And also the next stage is labeling. An important factor in packaging is labeling. The labeling provides all the information of the product, and the final thing is there will be questions.
Main concept of demand forecasting is understanding the demand for a market research. Only after the market research we can come to a conclusion of what is the exact demand is that, and after that we can fix that by producing the goods. by introducing meetings, that's what we shall look at. And first is understanding customers of the publisher. Then next, expert opinion research. In case if you are in an expert level, you also need an opinion, second opinions to get a better idea. So these what we have this in demand forecasting and its replication symbols are being marked. Then this material handling. Material handling is of before the lowest process. In material handling, there must be first one is safety measures. The safety measures actually need to be taken care of the workers or employees there. And the next we shall do this. The first one is safety protocol, and next one is the mode of transfer, material handling, either by using crane or it can be done by using only manpower or it can need any special equipment. That's what we that. And another one example is agricultural goods. For agricultural goods, there must be a need of special equipment to carry the goods to one place to another.